The Crescent Wiss 10-inch titanium-coated shears are built for professionals who demand precision and strength. Their titanium coating keeps the blades sharper longer, while the offset handle design gives perfect control and comfort during heavy cutting. Whether you're slicing through leather, wire, or cardboard, these shears deliver clean cuts without hand fatigue. Built for durability and trusted in workshops worldwide, they're the go-to tool for serious tradesmen. Keep your lawn looking perfect with the Scott's Turf Builder EdgeGuard Mini Spreader. Designed for even seed, fertilizer, or salt distribution, it covers up to 5,000 square feet with precision. The EdgeGuard technology ensures materials stay off sidewalks and driveways, keeping your yard neat and efficient. Compact, easy to push, and pre-calibrated, this spreader is your all-season companion for lawn care success. When you need brute force and precision, the Roughneck Gorilla Block Buster Bolster gets the job done. Made with forged steel and a large striking head, it's designed for breaking masonry, bricks, and concrete with minimal effort. The soft grip handle provides control and comfort even in tough conditions. Built to last and ready for impact, it's a true powerhouse for demolition and renovation work. Meet the ultimate problem solver for DIY lovers, the Damaged Screw Extractor Set. This compact kit removes stripped, rusty, or broken screws and bolts in seconds. Made from high-strength steel, it fits any drill and works on all screw sizes. It's a perfect gift for dads, husbands, or handymen who want a fast, frustration-free solution for tough repairs. The SAWSET Pro Miter saw protractor makes perfect angles effortless. Its patented no-math scale system gives instant, accurate readings. No calculations needed. Made from durable ABS plastic with large, easy-to-read markings, it's built for precision in every cut. Whether you're framing, molding, or doing trim work, the SAWSET Pro ensures your angles are right the first time. The tough-built Massive Mouth 16-inch tool bag is engineered for pros who carry it all. With rugged construction, reinforced handles, and a wide-opening mouth, it provides full visibility and quick access to every tool. Its hard, waterproof base keeps contents dry and protected, while multiple pockets keep everything organized. Built for reliability and convenience, this bag defines durability on the job. The Woodpecker's Paolini pocket rule redefines precision for woodworkers. Made from anodized aluminum, it features a sliding stop, vertical end scale, and scribing notches for ultra-accurate measurements. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for marking, measuring, and layout work. When accuracy and craftsmanship matter, this pocket rule stands above the rest. Cut your flooring cleanly and silently with the Wolfcraft VLC 800. Designed for vinyl and laminate, it delivers precise cuts without dust or noise. Its sturdy base and adjustable angles make installation smooth and professional. With this cutter, you'll finish your flooring projects faster, cleaner, and with perfect edges every time. The Wooster Pelican handheld paint pail is built for painters who value control and efficiency. Its ergonomic grip, built-in magnet for holding your brush, and easy clean liner make painting smoother than ever. Lightweight yet durable, it keeps your workflow fast and mess-free, perfect for both pros and DIY painters alike. The Rothenberger ROCUT UKS circular saw is made for professionals who need power and precision. With robust German engineering, it cuts through plastics, pipes, and construction materials effortlessly. Its adjustable cutting angles and stable base ensure accuracy on every job. Reliable, fast, and efficient, this saw is a must-have for serious trade work. The Chicago Pneumatic CP7120 is a powerhouse for cleaning and surface prep. Delivering 4,600 blows per minute, it removes rust, paint, and weld slag with ease. Its adjustable housing and ergonomic handle make long jobs comfortable and efficient. Built tough for industrial use, it's the ultimate combo tool for any mechanic or fabricator. The Stanley Open Tool Bag is a professional-grade organizer built for convenience. With a waterproof base, multiple pockets, and reinforced handles, it keeps your tools secure and accessible. The open-top design allows quick grab-and-go access, while the padded shoulder strap adds comfort on the move. Durable, smart, and ready for any job. The trend. Adjustable roller stand brings stability and control to your cutting setup. With height adjustment from 2 to 6 inches and a 140-pound load capacity, it supports heavy materials with ease. Perfect for saws, rooters, or planers, it enhances precision and safety during every cut. Foldable and portable, it's a must-have workshop partner. The Rigid RP 350 Pro Press Kit delivers professional-grade pipe pressing in one compact set. Powered by an 18-volt battery, it offers cordless freedom and unmatched reliability. The kit includes multiple pressing jaws for various pipe sizes, ensuring versatility and precision on every project. Rugged, efficient, and built for pros. This is the ultimate plumbing solution. The Wolfcraft SB60 Saw Buck is the perfect solution for cutting firewood safely and efficiently. Lightweight yet sturdy, it holds logs firmly in place for quick, stable sawing. Its folding design allows easy storage and transport. Simple, reliable, and built for daily use, it's the go-to stand for anyone working with wood. The WORX 20-volt switch driver is a 2-in-1 drill and driver that doubles your speed. With a rotating dual chuck system, you can switch between bits in seconds. Compact, powerful, and cordless, it's perfect for DIY and professional tasks. Backed by the WORX PowerShare battery system, it's convenience and power in one smart tool. The Capro 314 Set and Match Ruler is an all-in-one measuring and leveling system. Built from durable aluminum, it features a handle, knife guide, and slide lock vials for ultimate precision. Ideal for layout, marking, and alignment, it delivers accuracy professionals can trust. Practical, strong, and perfectly engineered for any workshop. The tight reach extension clamp gives you the extra hand you need for hard-to-reach areas. Compact and easy to use, it securely holds materials while you drill, cut, or assemble. With strong clamping force and flexible positioning, it simplifies every task. Designed for efficiency, this tool makes solo work faster and safer. The Chemo 18-gauge nail gun packs power and precision into a cordless design. With 2 firing modes, adjustable depth, and a fast 180 nails per minute speed, it's perfect for trim, furniture, and DIY projects. Dual batteries, included nails, and a lightweight body make it ready for work anytime. Reliable, efficient, and built for precision. The Milescraft GrabberPRO is built for safety and control on table saws, routers, and jointers. Its adjustable design and non-slip pads keep your hands safe while maintaining a firm grip on your material. Compact, durable, and easy to use, it ensures smoother, cleaner cuts every time. A must-have for serious woodworkers who value safety and precision.